So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel for 2nd June trade setup. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju. So hope we are
Yeah,
online,
man.
right?
I, yeah, yeah.
So for tomorrow trade setup, this is our caption, guys. What we are saying is, can Nifty 15,450 is a strong support or not? Let's look at the Nifty chart, and I'm going to explain about that. So before that, note down, guys, this channel is only for educational purpose. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. So let's look at the Nifty chart. Let me change my screen. So hope you guys are able to see the Nifty chart. Let me zoom. Okay, zoom the screen. So you can see here, it has touched this trend line twice. Okay, suppose tomorrow if it open negative and if it fails to hold below this 15,500 levels, 520 levels, right, easily we can expect it can touch this 15,450 levels. So that's about the downtrend, and that's the reason I've explained, I've given the caption that 15,400 is a strong support. And if you look here, from here we have seen a good rally. Okay, it's around 100 200 points. So this is a strong support for tomorrow. If it fails to hold this, then we can see a big fall. Okay, and this is also major trend line. Okay, you can see here, and it can again touch this trend line. If it fails to hold this 15,000 520 500 levels, then we can expect 50 points here. This is about the downtrend. And the uptrend, if it break this, okay, if it break this 614, again we can expect 660, and the next target is 700 levels. So that's about the Nifty for tomorrow. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, you can see here from last May month, from 27th, it is just taking a support of this trend line. Okay, so today also it took a support exact at 35,200, did not reach this 35,000. So now this will be a strong support. 35,200 is a strong support here. If it fails to hold this, then we can expect it can touch 35,000, and if it fails to hold this 35,000, easily we can expect further downside on Bank Nifty 34,500 levels. So that's the level on the downtrend. On uptrend, if it break this 35,450 500 levels, right, easily again we can expect it can touch 35,700, then 36,000 is the next target. So the range which I am expecting is, on upside is 35,700 36,000. On the downside, if it fails to hold this 35,200, the next target is 35,000, and next is you can expect 34,700 and 34,600. So that's the level on the Bank Nifty. Let's look at the over data. Okay, so if we look at the Nifty over data, we have a strong resistance 15,600, and if it break this, then easily we can expect 15,700, and 15,500 is a resistance. Okay, sorry, it's a support here. 15,500 is a support here. If it fails to hold this, then 15,400 is the next level. Okay, that's about the Nifty over data. Looking at the Bank Nifty over data, we have a strong resistance at 35,000. Okay, and if it break, then only we can see further upside. Till then, we can see downside, and we have a support at 35,000. That's a support. If it fails to hold this 35,000, then easily we can expect the 34,500. then further downside. So that's about the Bank Nifty over data. Let's move on to the stock for intraday stocks for tomorrow. So this before that, this is our training program, guys. We have just 4 days left for June month. If you guys want to join our training program, please contact me at Telegram ID Hemant369, and also can send all your detail to me. Then we'll be in touch, and we have a limited seats. So let's move about the pro training details. This is the training details. You can go through it. So now let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Reliance. So Reliance, as we mentioned, 30 sorry 2200 was a strong resistance and it came down. Now if it fails to hold this 2145, okay, if it fails to hold this 2145, further downside we can expect on Reliance. So let's look at the TCS. So TCS was trying to hit the next resistance 3170. If it break this resistance, then we can look further upside on TCS. Next is Axis Bank. Axis Bank, if it fails to hold this 738, right, we can expect further downside. We can expect 728. So that's about the Axis Bank. Next is Hero Motors. Hero Motors, it's a very strong resistance at 3050, and the below is 2950. So now if it fails to hold this 2950, right, we can expect it can easily touch 2926 900 levels. So that's about the Hero Motor. So let's look at the any queries, Manju, from anyone?
Query on Jindal Saw.
Okay, Jindal Saw, okay.
Jindal SAW.
Let me change my screen. Okay. So looking at the daily chart, so it is trying to move upside, and for now we can take this uh, Friday high, that is 109. Okay, so if it break this 109, again we can expect it can easily touch this 110, and next is 113. So that's about the, and now we can consider the strong support is this 105. Okay, if it fails to hold this 105, then we can see again it can reach downside till 100 levels. Okay, that's about the Jindalsa. The next one is Manju.
Axis Bank, but anyway
We have shared it. Okay, that's it. So let's move on to our screen. So guys, please start sharing our channel detail with your friends, and please try to help other retailers instead of following other channels who doesn't have much knowledge on technical and fake people. So we are sharing a good knowledge, technical knowledge. Please ask your friends to follow us. So this is our channel detail, chart traders at 369, and you can follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and also on our YouTube channel. So please, if you like our technical view, please like and comment. See you on the next call. Thanks, Manjuj, for joining with me. Cheers, happy trading.